In this session, you will learn how to log into your WordPress website. You will also learn about the dashboard. How you log in will be determined on how your site has been set up. By default, you should see a login link in the sidebar of your site. It also could appear in the footer of the site. But if your site will not be generally accepting membership, you would remove this link. In this case, you would use a URL. Go to the address bar of your browser and click at the end of the URL. Now you will type in wp-admin and hit enter. This should bring you to the login page. On your login page, provide your username and your password and click on Login. This will bring you to the admin area of your site. This is where you will be creating and maintaining your website. This area is broken into 3 sections: the toolbar, the sidebar or menu area, and your main work area. The toolbar contains commonly used functions, and the toolbar will remain visible whether you are in the admin area or the public view of your site, as long as you are logged in, making it easy to navigate back and forth between these 2 areas. To go to your viewing area, public area, we'll click on this link here, and it brings you in to your site. And you'll notice that the toolbar remains on top of the site. Now get back to the dashboard. We just click on this link again, and it brings you back to your dashboard. The menu area contains all the functions you can use to build and maintain your site. The functions that appear here will be determined by your user rights, by plugins added to your site, and even by the theme you're using. An item in the sidebar menu may have submenus. This will appear when you hover over the menu item, as you see here. When you first log in, you will first see the dashboard. This area provides you with information about your site and WordPress in general. The first time you log in, you will see a Welcome to WordPress area. This area has links to help you get started building your site and help you use the administrative tools within WordPress. When you are feeling comfortable with WordPress, you could dismiss this area from your dashboard by clicking on the Dismiss link. In addition to the welcome area, you will also notice you have a number of other areas. At a glance will provide you with information about your site, the number of posts, the number of pages, comments waiting for your approval, and it also shows you the version of WordPress you're using and the theme that's installed. The activity area will show you all the recent activity on your site and includes comments waiting for moderation. When you hover over the comment, you will notice you will see links that will allow you to approve, reply, edit, or remove the comment from your site. The WordPress news area provides you links with more information about WordPress from around the internet. You'll also see a featured plugin that's being recommended. The quick draft area allows you to enter a quick draft for a new post. This is great if you have an idea for a new post and you don't want to forget. You can enter a brief outline of your post and save it here so you can go back to it later and complete it and publish. To show you how this works, let's go ahead and enter a draft through this tool. We're going to title it WordPress Specialists. And I'm going to put in some text I've already copied and paste that in, and then save this as a draft. You'll notice that once I save it, the draft is listed here on the quick draft area, so I can quickly edit it. So I can jump to the post, the draft, and edit it, and then go ahead and publish. Anytime you're away from the dashboard, you want to get back, just click on the dashboard link. Before we complete this session, let's go over these tabs at the top of the main work area. Most tools you will be using in WordPress will have this Screen Option tab. This allows you to alter the screens so it works better for you, adding and removing content. In some cases, you can change its appearance by using this Options tab. You can see here's all the areas that are available to us. Here are the 4 that are currently visible. Here's the one we just missed. So if you ever want to bring that back, all we have to do is click on the welcome and it will reappear. Another thing that's nice to know is you can rearrange the items on the screen by simply dragging and dropping them to the desired location. So I can take this at a glance by clicking on the title of it. You'll notice that the cursor changes, and I can drag it down here, and when the gray box appears, I just drop it. I can also collapse and expand each of these areas. This concludes this session on logging in and your WordPress dashboard.